Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir on October the 9th of this year, when the price of this asset was at pre-market hours, as you can see right here, at $41.81. And I drew this couple of lines, the range of resistance and the range of support, and it is nothing else but the ending fifth wave diagonal. And at this very point, I told you that we have to see the rollover to the downside. And usually this pattern happens with the bull trap that breaks the upper border, the range of resistance, but then it has a trend reversal and it breaks both of these ranges as the ranges of support. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point and I drew these two lines as a blueprint of its potential price action. We went a little bit higher from the point where I made my previous video, and for now we are pretty much hovering at the same exact price at $42.25. And I have to admit that for now I am 100% correct, despite the fact that a lot of people in the comment section wrote me that technical analysis doesn't work properly on Palantir, and you shouldn't rely on its technical movements. You should rely only on its fundamentals and its news. And guys, it happens all time that I trade. A lot of people think that I don't know nothing, and the main catalyst for certain asset is just the fundamentals. But believe me guys, you will see it within the next couple of weeks that I was right. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again on its price action. I have to say that Palantir is on fire, to be honest, and a lot of people want to see its further movement to the upside. But at this very time, when the majority of retail investors think that it will go up to the upside infinitely, it has to have a trend reversal. And because of this, I will show you what ranges, what crucial ranges do we have for Palantir. But for now, let's take a look on its fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the consensus analyst price target again, and it is at $27.67 according to tip ranks, and it implies about almost 35% of downside potential. As you can see, among 16 analysts, 4 suggest to buy, 6 to hold, and 6 to sell. And that is why you have to be cautious with your long position. On top of that, according to marketbeat.com, we have consensus analyst price target at $27.29, pretty much the same price with the same downside potential of 35.71%. And guys, take a look right here. These forecasts are not outdated. It is the majority of them were made in September of this year, less than 1 month ago, and that is why 12 months forecast is still on the table. That is why you have to be cautious. On top of that, guys, if you take a look on the major, on the general sentiment for Palantir stock, if you type in Google search bar PLTR stock and switch to news tab folder, you will see that it appears some cautious news about its overbought condition. And that is why, guys, you have to be extremely cautious with your long position. On top of that, guys, the ending fifth wave diagonal, this pattern is still in play, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if you don't know what does it mean, the ending fifth wave diagonal occurs in the last fifth wave, and let me show you right here. I think, yes, I drew it back in the days. The most common movement to the upside is a motive wave, and usually the third wave is the strongest one. And we have waves inside the waves inside the waves. Each and every wave has 5 waves to the upside, and then 3 waves to the downside. And it is just a common blueprint of its price action, but in the 5th wave we might see these patterns, and this is a diagonal, and let me show you its breakdown in detail. From this bottom that happened back in October the 5th of this year, we had 5 waves to the first wave. Next we have ABC correction to the second wave. Again 5 waves to the upside to the third wave, and in the diagonal and in 5th wave diagonal, the first wave is the longest one, and each next wave is shorter than the previous ones. And for now, guys, take a look right here. If I measure the length, you can see that the first wave is obviously the longest. Third wave from this bottom to this top, and let's project it. 1-to-1 extension is at $45.53. This means it is the crucial invalidation point for Palantir. If it breaks this range, this means we cannot rely on this pattern anymore. And guys, as you can see, we didn't even get closer to this range, and we have this rollover so far. And this means, guys, we still have a lot of chances to break both of these lines. And I have to say that, let's switch to 4 hours time frame. I have to say that for now we don't have major movement to the downside. On the pre-market hours on yesterday's session, this asset lost about 4% of its value. And for now, we also in red by 0.45% on pre-market hours. This means, guys, if this asset breaks the first range of support, this upper border of its price action, this means we will have more people who will switch their position to short. And if and when it breaks this range, the second line, in this case, we will have even more people, and the movements right after these breakouts happen might be with quite substantial volume, and the price action will drastically move to the downside. That is why, guys, again, I don't encourage you to enter your long position. Just wait for the retracement, or you can hedge your long position. And if you don't know how to do it, just subscribe to my Patreon for the $35 a month. You basically will use my brains in your technical analysis. And to be honest, if you watch my channel for quite some time, you know that my win rate is more than 70 and even 75%. On certain assets, I have a win rate of more than 80%. Definitely no one is perfect, and technical analysis is just a game of probabilities, but if you know how to properly use it, you can be consistently profitable. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.